unang step, magluluto tayo ng beef ice cake. Yeah, pat it dry. Meron pang mga hindi dry na part. Okay. Tulungan ko tayo mag-pat dry. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so rub it with salt. Yan, rub it para ma-absorb. Okay, pati sa kabila. Okay, and then the pepper. Where's the pepper?
The paper.
That's ground pepper, black pepper. Okay, ang dami na.
Isang side lang. Natin.
Ay, isang side lang yung pepper.
Yung pepper. Ooh.
Wow, look at that marbling. And then, preheat the pan. Preheat. And we're going to use Queensland butter. Siguradong masarap. Okay, and lahatin na natin into ang ating steak because hindi siya kasya sa pan. Ayan mo na. Ang step kami. Just pan fry. Pan fry it for 8 minutes. Okay, pwede na po yan. Ang tawag po dito ay rare. Wow, look at that. Wow, so good. That's the first steak and my second pan. Why? That's butter. Bago yung next batch, kailangan itong lutuin siya. Why? Lutuin? Kailangan mo na siya bisihin yung pan. Perfect.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done.
Oh, well done daw. Well done. Ako din nga. Di ba ako sinubukan? Yep, look. Oh. Yes. There, it's well done. So yung susunod, medium rare. Yeah, sure. Medium rare? Sarap. Sarap na meat. Dinner. 6-second steak. Sana ano siya. We are aiming for medium rare. For what? We're aiming for happiness. Yay. Will this give us happiness later? Let's see. Hopefully. So bloody. It's bloody. It's bloody. Bloody. Patingin, iba ka lang sa camera.
Do you like that? Oh my god, I don't like. Pero na-achieve naman, guys.